So let's create an HTML file, and inside the body tag of the HTML file, we need to create a button. Let's give it a name called My Alert. Now we need to give a on-click property to the button. Let's call it My Alert. Let's save and see whether the button is coming or not. As you can see, the alert has come on the screen. But if we click on it, nothing happens. Now let's jump in the JavaScript file. In JavaScript file, we need to type function keyword followed by the function name that we have given for on click property, that is my alert. Open and close the brackets followed by open and close curly braces. Inside the curly braces, we need to type alert followed by the message inside the brackets and the quotes. Type the message my alert and save it. Now let's see what happens if we click the my alert button. As you guys can see, we have got an alert which says my alert. We are given this message inside the JavaScript alert function. Now let's see how to create an alert using a line break. Let's create another button over here. Let's give it a name my alert using line break, and we need to give on click property to it and need to assign a function name. Let's call it line break. Now let's go to JavaScript file. In JavaScript file, we need to type the function keyword followed by the function name that we have given for the button, that is line break. Open and close the brackets. Then again open the curly braces, and inside the curly braces type alert, then then open the round brackets, and inside the quotes type your message, that is hello followed by a backslash and n. Backslash and n adds a line break, and after that add your other message. Now let's save this. My alert using line button has appeared on the screen. Now let's see what happens after we click on it. As you guys can see, we have got the alert on the screen. If you have noticed properly, then the coder's word has appeared below the hello word. This is because we had added a line break using a backslash and n.